Yeah, let's start today. We will take some examples and let me write the points what we have discussed last class in order to reduce one Boolean expression. Okay, so we have learned complements. Okay, so what was the formula in complement? It was A complement is equal to A, right? If you take complement of A and its complement, it is equal to A, right? So we learned AND operation, and in AND operation what did we learn? A and A, okay, is equal to A. A and with 0 is always 0. A and with 1 is always A, okay. A and with A complement is how much? 0,
One.
right? A with A complement is 0, right? Similarly for OR, okay, for OR what we had, A or with A or with A, what is the formula? A or with A, what we will get? We'll get A. Similarly, A or with 0, okay, will give us what? A. A or with 1 will give always 1, and A or with A prime will give us 1, right? Then we learnt about some distributive law, okay. So in short I'm writing distributive law. What was distributive law? A plus BC. If you have, how we can write it? We can write it as A plus B into A plus, I mean A or with B and A or with C, okay. We should read it as A or with B and C, okay, because we are habituated with this decimal kind of stuff. We read it as plus, okay. So it is A or with B and C is equal to A or with B and A or with C. Another formula was A and with B or C is equal to AB plus, I mean A and B or A and C, right? So if you have A plus A bar B, what you will get? A plus A bar B, what we will get? Use this one, what you will get?
A
This is
plus
equal to,
A bar
yeah, A plus A complement,
complement
okay, and
and
with
A
A
plus
A plus
plus
B.
B.
B, okay.
So A plus
A
B.
plus A complement is what? A plus A
1.
complement is
1.
how? It is 1. Okay. So this will be 1 into A plus B. So answer will be 1 and A plus B. Okay, so let me write 1 and A or with B. So 1 and with anything is same thing, right? So it will be A or with B. So we will be using this. Okay. A plus A complement B. A or with A complement B is equal to A or B. Right? Then we had what, De Morgan's law, isn't it? So what was De Morgan's law? What was De Morgan's law? Who will say?
A plus
Last
B
class we have
whole
learned, right?
complement. Yes, sir.
A plus
A
B
plus B
whole
whole
complement is equal
complement
to
equal to A bar into B bar. It's A bar and
here
B bar.
A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement and with B complement. And another law was A and
A
B complement.
and B complement equal to A complement or B with B complement.
B complement. Okay, right. And associative law, A dot B dot C is equal to, okay, let me write here. Associative law. Okay, it was equal to, if you have like this, A
And B
and
B
B, okay,
all of C dot
dot C is equal to
into
A dot,
A dot B
B.
B dot.
Okay, right. And along with this, I told you to remember this priority. Okay, okay. Priority is given first to not.
Not
Okay, then to and,
and
then or.
or
Okay, by taking this into account, I will take few logical statements and convert them into some expressions. Okay, and we will try to reduce them. Okay, objective is to reduce some expression so that we can reduce amount of gates required, which eventually will reduce the cost of the hardware and optimize the processing. Okay, if you have less number of gates, faster processing. Okay, so let's see a scenario, right? So let's say you are very hungry. Okay, so you are very hungry. Okay, and you are in home. Okay, you are in home in the evening. You ask your mother, I am very hungry. Okay, please serve me. Okay, if you have, please serve me some this biryani and some salad. Okay, you told that please serve me some biryani and salad, or you can you told like this, please serve me if you have some biryani and salad is not there also, it's okay. Okay, salad not there. Okay, then also it's okay. So how to put this statement? Okay, let's take a variable. Okay, I'm taking a variable for biryani, it's a variable A, and for salad it's a variable B. Okay, so you are very hungry and you called your mother, mother, give me some biryani and salad, or biryani and salad not there also, it's okay for me. What your mother will conclude? Who will say?
Biryani
Who
is
can say?
compulsory and salad is may or may not
Hmm.
necessary.
Hmm. So what your mother is going to offer you?
Biryani, sir.
We have given a statement. Yeah, is it clear to everyone? right? We asked that please give me biryani and salad, or biryani and salad not there also, it's okay for me. So what you will get? An outcome. So let me put this function as y. So you asked that either biryani and salad, okay, or biryani, if salad is also not there, it's okay for me. AB plus AB bar. Is it clear? Right. So I have given a logical expression to this. So y is equal to AB plus AB bar. Okay. So what the mother concludes out of the statement given by the child, okay, is what we will see here, how we will reduce the expression. Okay. So AB plus AB bar. So first what we have to take care of? Priority.
Not.
Not. Okay. Not means this is the thing. Okay. Is it there? Complement, complement. Not there. Okay. So only you have B complement. Then what you will do? Next priority is and. Okay. And any such type of cases are there, like A and 0, A and 1, A dot A bar. Is it there?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And do you see De Morgan's law to be applicable here in this statement? Is it in this form? A plus B bar or A dot B bar?
No, sir.
Is it there? No. Okay. So you have AB plus AB bar. So how to reduce this? What you will do?
Taking A common.
Who can say? I would like to reduce this expression. So I will take A common. So it is B or so, or in or what you have? B or with B complement is how much?
1.
B or B complement is 1.
1.
Okay. So what we will write? Okay. Yeah. So A, B plus B complement is 1. A dot 1. So what is A dot 1? A dot 1 is A and with 1 is A. So you asked your mother either give me, okay, biryani and salad, or give me biryani if salad is not there also, okay. So your mother offers you only what? Biryani.
Biryani.
Right. So answer is A. Right. So any real time thing you can give a logical expression, okay, for understanding purpose, and you can see what we conclude out of this. Okay. Right. We will take a second example. Is the first example clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's take a second example. Example 2. You went to our say Bhima's canteen. Okay. Right. Same lunch time. Okay. So you see there is curd rice. Okay. And there is one factor. Okay. And three things I have written: curd rice, banana, chutney. Okay. So what will happen? We will give a logical expression. Okay. to this particular scenario. You went to a canteen, okay, and you would like to eat curd rice and banana, okay, or you would like to eat curd rice and banana, okay, or what is acceptable to you is curd rice and banana not there, also acceptable to you, banana not there, okay, banana not there, and you want to eat chutney, okay, or you want to eat curd rice with banana. If chutney not there also, it's okay to you. So you are very hungry, okay, so either this is acceptable to you, this is also acceptable to you, or this is acceptable to you, okay, any one of this is okay to me, right? Any one of this is okay to me. So what expression I will give to this? What I will give? Y is equal to, let's take this variable as a, b, c. What you will write?
A or B or C.
Okay, a, curd rice and banana. So you asked that particular hotel fellow to give me curd rice and banana, or curd rice and banana not there, okay for me, with chutney, or curd rice with banana. If chutney also not there, it's okay to me. So what that fellow will understand, we will find out. Okay, so we have given a statement that please give me curd rice and banana, or curd rice and chutney and banana not there, okay to me, or curd rice and banana, if chutney not there, okay to me. Okay, this is chutney not there, okay to me, right? So what we'll write? So first expression will be what?
A
For
dot
this,
B.
okay, it is a dot b, okay, or what do you have? A, b
A
not there, okay,
B bar. B
a
bar
b complement,
complement dot C.
dot c,
Dot C.
okay, so right, or you can take
A dot B dot C complement.
c complement, right? This is our expression, this is our logical expression. Now what the soft vendor will conclude, okay, so in short, so how we can, rather than telling all this statement and confusing the vendor, we can tell what? Okay, let's reduce it, let's reduce it. So what we will do?
A common.
A common.
A is common to everyone,
No,
okay,
sir.
a is common to everything, or something else. See, look carefully.
B bar dot C plus B dot C bar means 1.
Hmm. So if I write like this,
B plus 1.
okay, now what you can take common?
A, sir.
Hmm. A only.
1 plus C bar.
Is it okay?
Sir.
What is one or with anything? One or with anything.
One, sir.
One, sir.
One. Okay. One or with anything is one.
One.
What it will reduce to?
A, B
B
plus.
or A B A B complement C.
Hmm. Now what you can write?
A
A common.
We'll say. Next, what we can write? A common. Then what you will get? B plus
B
B.
or B complement C.
Hmm. Then Will it reduce? Will it reduce to some useful expression? Reduce yourself and say me. A and B plus A and B complement C plus ABC complement. How you can reduce it?
A common B or B complement C. B
A
or B
common
complement C can be reduced
You can
as
take help of
BC, sir. B plus B or C.
Hmm?
B or C.
B or C. B plus
Yes, sir.
B complement C can be reduced to
B or C.
B or C. Which formula did you use?
Here A plus A complement B.
A
B
plus
plus C bar dot B plus C, sir.
Hmm.
In distribution law, third one, sir.
Sir, if
Distribution law, third one. So you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Tell quickly.
Yes,
A,
sir.
A dot B plus
A
C.
common B plus C. B plus C.
A
A
dot
common
B plus C.
B plus B bar C.
B plus B bar C
Yes, sir.
equal to
Equal
B
to
plus
B plus C, sir.
B bar dot B plus C.
It is distributive law, sir. B plus B bar C.
B
So we
plus B
can,
bar C.
sir, we can write as B plus B bar and dot
B
B
plus B
plus
bar
C.
C. This one. So this will be B plus B bar C. Okay, so it will be B plus C. B or with C.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
A dot B plus C.
Okay.
Sir.
So what he will conclude?
We can write as A dot B plus B dot C, sir.
A dot
Same
B plus
distributive law. B dot C.
distributive
A dot C.
A dot B plus A dot C.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but this is in
Easy.
or reduced form.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So what the vendor may conclude, or you can say directly. So give me
Curd rice and
and
banana or curd rice and chutney.
or chutney. You need not say curd rice again. Okay. So A is curd rice. So give me curd rice and banana or chutney. Isn't it? Curd rice and okay, this is and banana or chutney.
Banana or chutney.
Okay, one line. It's enough. Okay. So this is the reduced form. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's take another example. We'll take one more example. Okay. Now another scenario I am taking. So now you get this festival. Okay. Let's say. So in this festival, okay. So you are interested to ask something, okay, to your father. Okay. So you're asking that either because of this festive occasion, you father give me some money, okay, some amount of money, or okay, or give me a bike, okay, or give me a car, right? You have given a condition. So father, you can give me some amount of money or bike or car, and okay, give me some amount of money or if you don't give me bike also, it's okay to me. Okay, or give me car. Okay, and you give me some amount of money, or bike. Okay, or car is not there also, it's okay to me. Okay, car is not there, it's okay to me. So how you will optimize or give a expression to
A plus B plus
three variables we have: a, b, c.
Dot
A plus B
A
plus
plus
C
B plus C.
Hmm.
dot
So
dot A plus B bar dot C, B bar plus C
so we
dot
take a for amount, okay, and b
for
for
bike,
bike,
C for
and
car.
c for car. Okay, c for car. So what we will do? We will give an expression to it. We have asked that amount or bike or car, and amount or bike not all, bike not there, it's okay to us, or car, or amount or bike, car is not there also, it's okay to me. So what conclusion can be laid out of the expression? So first, let's express this. Okay, let's express this. So amount or bike or car. So what you will write? A
A plus B plus C.
or
A plus B
B,
plus
A or B or C. Okay. For the second one, what?
A
A.
plus B bar plus C, sir.
Hmm.
A or B complement or C.
For third one,
A plus B plus C bar.
A plus B plus C bar. Okay. And give an expression to it. Y will be. Okay. So Y will be A plus A or with B or with C. Okay. A or with B or with C. Then A or with B bar. A or with, okay, B bar plus C, right? And A or with B, okay, A or with B
Plus C bar.
plus C bar. Okay, this is the expression, right? This is the expression. So we will try to reduce this. Okay, try to reduce this expression. Start doing. So we can reduce.
A dot B bar.
Let me put it in this page. So y is equal to a plus a or with b or with c. Okay, a or with b complement c. Using one Boolean expression, it depends. Okay, so answer to answer will vary based on what logic you pick up and how far you can think and go. Okay, so start doing it yourself. Okay, then I will answer. Or else tell me how. Okay, because of disconnection, we lost the screen. Okay, let me write again. So the expression was y is equal to A or with B or with C. Hmm. C complement. Okay. Tell what we can do. What we can do? Who will say? Let me choose. Okay. So let me take a variable x. Okay. X is equal to A plus B. Okay. A or with B. So what I can write this expression, this will be x plus C. Okay. And this will be x plus C bar, or let me write like this one step. This will be A plus B bar or with C. This will be X or with C complement. Okay. X or with C complement. So we can write it in this way: X or with C and X or with C complement. Okay. Then A or with B complement or with C. Okay. So what we can write: X or with C into X or with C complement. C and answer. Roll number 24, answer B9. A plus B into A plus B bar. What is the answer? "24, are you there?" B9 24. "33. B9 33. 37. Pratyusha. B9.
So it can be x plus c into c bar.
X plus C and with C complement. Okay. Into A.
A plus b bar plus c.
What will be the C complement? Any variable and its complement is always
0.
0. Right. So this value is 0. Right. This will lead to 0. What is that? X into A plus B bar plus C. So what is X? This is A plus B. Okay. A plus B into A plus B bar plus C. So how we can reduce it? A plus B into A or with B complement or with C. What we can write? How we can reduce it? B10 6. B10 6. B10 6. B10 5. Answer, how we can reduce it? Who will say? B10 6, B10 5. I'll put absent who are not responding.
Yes, sir. B10 6, sir.
Tell what we can do. Statement.
Sir, what, sir?
Are you able to see the screen?
Hello.
Yeah, are you able to see the screen?
Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello.
You are audible.
Hello.
B10 roll number 5. B10 roll number 5.
Sir, I couldn't able to answer it.
Why?
I'm not getting the logic, sir.
Up to this point you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see A plus.
Sir, A can take in common, no, sir. 1 plus B equal to
How you
B.
can take A common? A plus B into A plus something.
Okay.
Okay. So what is that? Let me put it here. Okay, with a different color. So we had something A plus, okay, BC is equal to A plus B into A plus C. So it is in this form, right? A plus, okay, A plus something into A plus something, right? This form. So what you can write? A plus BC. Okay. So what we can write? Tell roll number 5. A plus BC means what? Here B means B, C means, okay, A or with B and with B complement or C, right? So what we can write this expression?
A or
plus
B
B bar.
plus B C.
Yes.
So it's 1.
So what is B bar?
1.
Zero.
B bar.
0. Sorry.
How it is 1?
Sorry.
Zero.
I thought yes.
Answer
plus
is
A plus B C.
A plus, okay, B into C, right? Answer is A plus BC. Okay. So rather than telling the statement like you want some amount of money, okay, or bike or car and amount of money, or bike not there, okay, or car amount of money plus bike, okay, if car not there, okay. So what you can say, or what conclusion can be laid? You need at least some amount of money, okay, or so what you want, either you want some money or
Car
bike
and
and car both, Okay, bike and car both. So out of A or BC. Okay, if anything is true, it's fine. If both are true, that also it's fine. Okay. So A plus BC, y is equal to A plus BC means what? So y is equal to A plus BC means either A is acceptable to us or BC is acceptable to us or both are acceptable to us. Okay. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have seen today 3 different scenarios. Okay. And we have gave some logical expression to it and we tried to reduce it into some reasonable form. Okay. So like some people told that they cannot reduce it beyond this. Okay. So it depend on how logical you are and how you can reduce up to pretty extent in order to reduce number of logic gates required. Okay. And in order to optimize the processing. Right. So we will stop here at this point. Next class we will take up some more examples. Right. So both the CRs take the attendance and send me.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, sir. In the last class, you have said that for expression after the expression we have to reduce with a small expression, no, sir. Like A plus B plus C up to we have reduced to A plus BC. Even you said that after knowing the reduced form, you said that we have to even take the table of the form, means for A, B, C, like that. No, means I'm asking like,
Yes. So you can have a try. Okay.
sir.
You can take truth table. You can take, and for the large expression also you can find out. Then with small expression also you can find out. You will find both the things same.
Okay, sir. Is it compulsory to know that means to taking
No.
a table, sir, or it's just
See, here logically we have concluded. Okay, with
yes, sir.
taking this Boolean expressions and other rules into account,
Yes,
whether
sir.
the reduced form is really true or not. How we can know? Okay,
Yes, sir.
I have told that we have given an statement like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and through this process of reduction, we found it to be this. So, is it really true or not? How to know? There is no other way except
Okay.
truth table.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and if the variables are large, okay, so it
Okay, sir.
becomes very difficult in Boolean logic to solve the expressions. So here Boolean algebra works for very small amount of variable, like 2 variable, 3 variable. If variables are large,
You cannot.
we have to go for mapping method to solve that. Okay, so we will be
Yes, sir.
having K-map, chronomap, we will be solving that. Okay, so to
Okay, sir.
verify whether our form is a reduced form or not, okay, in order to verify our form is reduced form or not, we have to take truth table and verify.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
right.
Thank you.
So we'll stop here. Okay, we'll meet on Tuesday again. Okay,
Yes,
thank you very much.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. But nice, sir.
Thank you, madam. CR, send me the attendance. Okay.